Okay, you guys, so we got the pumpkin lanterns for my fall decor I recently picked up. Just doing a little something for my baby and things like that. But this is the original swing zip. I got this from Nordstrom, actually. It was a better deal because it dropped on Nordstrom again in the hunter green, the black, and the white. And I was surprised because Nordstrom doesn't have good stock on Coach, so I'm always surprised when things pop up. And I had a gift card, so I ended up getting this bag for under $300, which was a price I was willing to pay. I used my gift card and everything on it, so I ended up getting it in black. I wanted it in hunter green, but it didn't drop until I bought this. After it shipped, the hunter green popped up and I was like, oh, that's why I don't be messing with Nordstrom all that often when it comes to Coach, because of how they release their stock and how often they have limited stock of things. But I wanted to show you guys the swing zip original versus the dupe that I got, and I think the quality differences are very apparent. I think when you take a step back, you can automatically tell which is the original, which is the dupe, even if I turn it around and you don't see this hang tag. The stitching and the way things are mended together, I think is a dead giveaway. When you look on the Coach, you see the stitching going up and you see the lip of the leather, the stitching going down the straps here, versus when you come over here and look at the dupe, the stitching are very it just kind of blends in. It's not done very well. These straps, you see this discoloration, like the inside of the leather is showing. You don't see that on the dupe, on the original. It's a very clean hole punch. Very, very clean. So the quality is very different. Another thing that I noticed right when I had opened this particular bag when I got it to do the video, this has a lip on this side, and that was a dead giveaway for it to be a dupe. It's not something that you would care about because it's not something you notice from afar. But the Coach original does not have that lip on this underside. It's very clean, sewn shut, and you cannot lift that bag on the other side. Another major difference is if you look the way the bag is made on the original, the structure of it is very clean, very structured. And then when you come over here to the dupe, you see how it has that dip. This right here, that's the major difference, and that's what cheapens it because of this. It's like a big crevice between the outer bag and the zipper. And when I look at the 1998 version of the swing zip, this is kind of how it looked. It had all of these kind of issues. Well, it's an issue depending on how you look at it. But this bag, as you can see, it has a very good structure. I'm not sure if it'll cave in over time to look like that, but for now, this is very structured. The light gray stitching. Yeah, and I just really love that I got one that had the double tag. Oh, I'm glad I waited, honestly. I'm very happy with the purchase. And because I like this color in particular, this hunter green color, I might use my birthday discount and get another swing zip. Yeah, and I'll show you the other differences that I noticed between. I wish I was able to carry footage. That's why I'm happy I stopped using my phone and iPad to edit and upgraded, because I was never able to save my footage. So I want to show you that this bag, this original swing zip, the fit of it is more true to what I've been seeing online. The bubblegum pink one, the bag felt much shorter, and the strap drop wasn't as long as I thought it was going to be. But this one actually fits. I haven't had to adjust it. It's on the second notch. I haven't had to adjust it, and it fits exactly the way I want. So overall, I'm really, really, really happy. I just wish that they had the hunter green when I checked out, but that's the only thing. I believe they are about the same size. This, I could be mistaken, but the original swing zip, to me, it kind of looks just a tad taller, but I could be mistaken. This looks fatter, like the width looks fatter in the dupe, but even the stitching through here, the base of the bag, is completely different and way better than all of the ridges that you see on this dupe here. So that's the side, is the tops of the bags. I love the light gray stitching on the black. I think that is so cool. There's a zipper detail, light gray stitching on the zipper. Pop stitches on the dupe. And of course the zipper on the swing bag is way, way better. I'm not getting stuck at all. And then of course inside, it's not stuffed either. This is the first time I opened this. Full leather on the inside. Story patch feels engraved. It's in all black right there. And the back pocket, as you can see, has this zipper pull, which is interesting. This zipper pull. And the back pocket stretches from this end of the bag all the way over to the side. I don't think the swing zip that I unboxed on the channel had this big of a pocket. This is definitely worth the price, unlike the one that I originally got and I was disappointed in. This one is actually a really great bag. I'm glad I tried and get it again, and I'm glad I got the discount. This one, of course, is not lined in leather. It's not a full leather bag with a picture of my son in there. This bag, it does have a generous back pocket, but it does not stretch from end to end. But yeah, I still think this is a really good dupe if you want to try the bag first, if you don't know if you like the silhouette. But overall, the Coach is far superior. Far, far superior. And if you are a quality snob, like if you like this bag and you're a quality snob, you're gonna get annoyed with this bag like instantly, and you're gonna consider it. It's not gonna scratch the itch forever just because of the quality. But this one, I really love it. I really love it. I think I'm actually going to pull the trigger maybe even today, because September is almost over. So I did use my birthday discount at the outlet, but I've noticed that my retail cart is still discounted. So I'm going to try to check out. I'll report back and tell you if I was able to use my discount on both retail and outlet in the same month, because usually you can't do that. Usually it's just like a one-stop shop. So I'll let you know if I was able to get the discount, but I think I want a second one in the green. Yeah. Very, very happy. Very, very happy with this.